Okay, anytime.
Hello and welcome to Flooring by Design. My name is Trevor and today I'd like to talk to you about a new product line that we're featuring here in the store. This system has a couple of different visuals. We have some beautiful tile visuals and we also have wood style visuals as well. Commercially rated, heavy duty residential wear warranties. And this system is very unique, just recently launched from Armstrong. There are some beautiful visuals that resemble hardwood flooring planks, as well as some visuals that look like tiles. Now the interesting thing with Armstrong's take on the luxury vinyl tile is this fast tack technology. And let me show you why. Here we have a small panel which two pieces have been installed. And so we're able to simply remove a piece. As you can see on the underbelly, there's a little bit of the pressure sensitive adhesive that is there. So during installation, if we should happen to make a little mistake and we're not quite happy with it, we simply peel that right back up, get it in nice and close where we want it, and we're perfect installation. The benefit to you is that if you should happen to damage any one of your boards or tiles throughout the time you have it in your home or in your residential or commercial space, we can simply remove a piece and then put a new one, just as easy as that. So I would encourage you to stop by the showroom over at Cedar Point Drive and come and see why we're excited about the Armstrong new Luxe Plank series with fast tack technology.